So the green zone standards are super important. And when you stay in these standards and when you think about these standards, you automatically develop body awareness. And so the first of these standards is the breath principle, which means no labored breath. Now, what is a labored breath, right? Basically, anytime you see anybody breathing real heavily, or even, you know how in yoga you're doing a stretch and you get to that point, like, that's labored, right? So we want nice, smooth, easy breaths throughout the whole move, throughout the whole exercise, whatever we're doing. That's how you stay within green zone. And the optimal way to do this is breathe in and out of your nose, smoothly and slowly. So people around you shouldn't really even hear you breathe. When you do that, you're staying within green zone. Now there's a couple other pieces as well. The other one is no momentum, right? So everything needs to be muscle led. And this is where that engaging the system and bracing concept really come into play here. So you want to be able to brace the body, stabilize, and then move in the direction or in the move that you want to do on full muscle control. So now the third principle, the third standard is no pain. It's a very important one. Never go into pain. You have to learn the difference between pain and discomfort. Pain is a red zone. Stay away from it. Done. You just exit the move right there, and then maybe come back to it slower, better, easier. If you have discomfort, that's more like the yellow zone. And there you just slow down, move in a little bit more cautious. And so that's a skill that you're gonna have to start to develop. Is this discomfort or is this pain? Pain means we're done. Discomfort means we push just a little bit further and see if we are okay. So the last standard that I want to mention is the standard of no force. So if your body's not letting you go, if you're in your own range of motion, you're at that fringe and your body's really resisting it, we're not trying to force through it. We're not pulling on passive objects and like pulling ourselves towards it. We're not twisting or jerking. What we're doing is we're listening to the body. And again, it's developing that skill, that meta skill of body awareness. So whenever you're doing one of these moves, don't do it with force. We're not blowing through this. We're always under control. Think about the rest of the standards, right? No momentum, no labored breath, no pain.